From the beginning, we've always wanted to be approachable. We answer the phone, answer every email, and we try and respond quick as possible. They're coming to us because they want to talk to the people who made the bike. That's where you gain trust.
They just know that Santa Cruz has their back, more than most other companies would.
The quality of the bikes, the warranty, and just the reputation of the brand, they just always take care of the customers.
The customer experience is everything.
Customers dictate the future of the company.
I deal with a lot of our Santa Cruz warranty situations. Work with guys like Willie and Steve pretty closely.
There are a few guys who are pretty legendary here, and they were definitely at capacity. And we had to figure out how can we make it so that the stuff they do that's super personal can be done without it seeming artificial. So it's important for us to figure out how do we make it so we can answer more people in the same amount of time. So to do that, you've got to have a shared platform where everybody can tap in. The way HubSpot approaches automation, it really is about enabling the human touch and not removing it.
We explored a few other options, but HubSpot Service Hub easily stood out as the best option. The reporting feature was extremely easy to work with and had countless options compared to the other services that we were using.
The most complaints you hear about companies is they don't get back to you. During busy season, it's insane.
Dealing with warranties was definitely a little more of a hassle a couple years ago.
But now with HubSpot Service Hub, we can have a team of people viewing the exact same page. And if there is a customer that needs help that day, we know that they're going to get taken care of.
Efficiency definitely went up, there's no doubt about it. I mean, I can give an example. Yesterday, someone came in with a frame with a possible failure, and we had an answer yesterday afternoon using the form. So that would have probably been a week at least before.
Our time to respond has definitely improved. When you scale up, it's harder to get that feedback to the right places, and so HubSpot's making that easier for us.
Before HubSpot, it was emails from around the world, and emails get lost.
Prior to having HubSpot Service Hub, there was real no way to log warranty claims or inquiries from all the different customers that we had. So now that we have HubSpot and HubSpot Service Hub, we can actually look at the history of those individuals and we can take care of them once and not have to keep going back to them.
With HubSpot now, you can make sure we're not have multiple people chasing the same customers, right? That's huge. Having everything centralized helps kind of make that a little more cohesive.
Everything we do is to grow smarter. So when we look at what tools we're using and how we use HubSpot, what we need is something that's flexible and grow with us. We're bringing things together for this whole 360 view.
Word of mouth is huge here at Santa Cruz Bicycles. Our reputation for customer service and warranty, people talk about it around the world. That's what I'm most proud of.
We make great bikes, we have fun doing it, and that's not just a slogan, that's actually what we do every day.
It's just cool knowing that there's a company that supports your kind of community. I'm friends with a good amount of them. They're all shredders.
It's not a marketing ploy. We're not doing it just to say, look at what we're doing. No, that's bullshit. We'll just do it because that's what we truly believe in.